A case has been filed by the Mumbai police against a 75-year-old businessman in connection with a rape case of a 35-year-old woman in the Juhu area of Mumbai. According to the information received from the police, the accused threatened the rape victim in the name of underworld don Daud Ibrahim and said that if she complains to the police, he will kill her. The victim lodged a complaint against the businessman at Amboli police station in Mumbai. Another shocking development is that the woman has alleged that she has received a call from the D gang threatening her to not register a complaint against the businessman. The accused businessman had taken a loan of Rs 2 crore from that woman and did not return it. Also, when the victim woman tried to raise her voice against the atrocities being committed against her, the accused businessman and the people associated with Daud Ibrahim directly threatened that if she says anything to anyone about this, they will get her killed. The investigation of this case is currently transferred from Amboli police to MIDC police. MIDC police is probing the claims of the woman.